So I would say, yes, people are ready to support you. People are ready to help you at Rutgers, and it is a welcoming environment. I slowly, but I think effectively, started to understand that this kind of support is out there, but we need is our responsibility as each individual to form a group of support to find those resources and take good advantage of them. And now I'm more proactive person. I would be more confident to reach out for help. I have more skills to communicate with different units and departments across the campus. They become part of my support group for larger than close friends or chosen family, but also I consider those resources, those different departments, my support group. One of the closest friend actually, Eduardo Troyan, and he presented this opportunity of becoming OL. This experience really reinforced my idea of yes to deepen your self growth. Now I know like I have a really solid goal that I want to pursue. Student affairs in higher education, especially in global education, is completely honestly formed by my journey at Rutgers, and I would say 80% it would be thanks to my experience with Rutgers Global and ISSS and all the amazing people who work for it, and also all the amazing OLs and students involved in this. Again, getting all this kind of information about Rutgers and also kind of reflection, a deepened and more thorough reflection on myself. What do I want to do with life? The advice I would give for the brand new students is to, sometimes toughen up and take a leap of faith to try to branch out, like really use the resources provided by Rutgers, and they're going to help you to build your own support group. I mean, it is essential and important for them to have a bunch of friends, but also it is important to realize and consider that supporting group consists beyond that, individuals, but also the organizations and offices. Thank you.